Small space gardening hack that actually works. If you've tried gardening in a small space and felt frustrated, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing one gardening tip that actually works in small spaces, even if all you have is a bucket, balcony, or tiny backyard. Most beginners fail, not because they're lazy, but because they try to garden the same way people with land do. Small spaces need smart systems, not more effort. Let me show you one simple trick that changes everything. The tip: grow up, not out. The biggest mistake beginners make is spreading plants wide on the ground. In small spaces, vertical thinking wins every time. Instead of asking, "How much land do I have?" ask, "How much airspace can I use?" Why this works: when you grow upward instead of outward, you save space. Plants get more airflow, less disease, easier watering, easier harvesting, more yield from fewer containers. This works for buckets, containers, balconies, rooftops, small backyards. How to apply it: beginner friendly. Step 1. Choose climbing or upright crops. Start with tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, beans, ugu, pumpkin vines, herbs like basil and scent leaf. These love vertical support. Step 2. Use simple vertical support. You don't need fancy tools. Use sticks or bamboo, old broom handles, rope or twine, wire mesh, fence wall hooks. Tie gently. Don't choke the plant. Step 3. One container, one focused plant. Don't overcrowd. One bucket, one strong plant. This alone doubles success for beginners. Step 4. Place where light hits. At least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Balcony corner, window side, or rooftop works perfectly. Why this works so well for beginners? Because you don't need land, you don't need money, you don't need experience, you don't need big tools, you just need a smart setup. Let me encourage you. If your plants failed before, it's not you. You were just using the wrong method. Small space farming works when you grow up, not wide. Like I said earlier, most beginners failed not because they are lazy, and I know you are not lazy. So if this helped you, like the video, share it with someone who wants to grow food at home, and follow for more simple urban farming tips.